Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Chevy Malibu and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, any further product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, you want to make sure you prep the tail light. So to prep it, just apply Slip Solution onto the tail light, and with the clean microfiber towel, just go all around and remove any contaminants that the tail light might have. So before I get started with the installation, just a heads up, there is a bit of construction around the area right now. So I'm gonna try my best to guide you guys without sound on how to install the tints on the tail light. But it's a pretty simple installation for the taillight tints for the Malibu. So we're gonna start off with installing this center piece of the taillight first. So first apply Slip Solution and align the film to this edge first. So once you have it aligned, lift the film on this end, apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. And with this one, when you're tacking it down, there's no stretching required. All you need to do is just tack down the whole film. Since it is a flat surface here, it's just tacking down the whole thing. So you could just start applying Tack Solution. Make sure to remove all of the water bubbles behind the film. Once we finish installing, apply Tack Solution all around and with heat around the edges to seal the edge right here before we overlap the next film onto this film. Okay, now we move on to this section. Apply Slip Solution and you want to align this piece of the film to the edge of the tail light here. So now that we have it aligned here, we're going to tack down this section first. Once this whole section is secured, we could stretch the film and apply it here and then stretch the film going down. So Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film and start tacking it down. Now that this section is secured, let's move on here. Lift the film, apply Slip Solution and stretch the film to meet this edge. And now that we have it to this edge, apply Tack Solution to tack this section down. Now we stretch this section of the film until it meets the bottom edge here. And any fingers that do come up here in this section, just apply Tack Solution and heat, and you're able to bring down these fingers and tack it down to this curve here. Okay, now that we made sure we secured the film and there's no more fingers popping out, we can move on with the next install. Okay, same steps that we did with this one, we rinse and repeat with this one. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and then onto the tint, and then align it right on the edge of the tail light. And then once you align it, tack it down with Tack Solution and then stretch the film until you made it to the other end. And then just tack it down and remove any fingers and also any water bubbles that may come up behind the film. Align to the edge. And also, if you do happen to come across fingers again, just apply Tack Solution and with heat, and we're able to bring down the fingers. Okay, so once you're done with the installation, the last thing you do is just pulse heat all around to ensure that we secure the film onto the tail lights, and any fingers that still may be popping up, we just tack them down so the film can stay sealed. So apply tack solution on edges and anywhere where we overlap the film. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2022 Chevy Malibu. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.